Good morning to all. Really, it's a great pleasure and honor to me to meet you all for this online classes. First of all, I like to thanks to Dr. Aravindan and Mrs. Subha for inviting me as a resource person through this online classes, MOOC and e-learning. And you know this lockdown period is very tough time for us teachers and students to contact each other, to taking the classes for learning the students. It's very tough time. So I don't know in future also maybe if it will continue. So we can use the online classes. That time is a Google Classroom is highly useful for you. Even when ordinary days also, I used to take Google Classroom for submit assignment and assigning the mark and quiz and online test. Just I use it to the Google Classroom. So like that, you can also use as a Google Classroom effectively in the lockdown period. And after the lockdown period, also you can use the Google Classroom. My email ID lasbala@gmail.com. My mobile is 99948899426. If you have any doubt, you can ping me. You can chat with me through email and or mobile. These are my objectives. You can create the live classes using the Google Classroom. Then you can add your students. And then you can post assignment announcement whenever you need. Then you can grade the assignments and provide the feedback for the students. And you can explore students and teachers classroom features. And even you can add your colleagues also, in faculty colleagues also you can add it. Then you can interact easily each other. This is my today agenda. This is a total Google academic products I want to explain. First, I want to explain what is Google Classroom. Then, apart from the Google Classroom, I want to explain Google Earth Service and Google Reference Service, both useful for the academicians. And another one, product I want to explain here, quiz. That means in the particular Google Classroom, the online test quiz not up to the mark, is my opinion. So that is the reason I want to explain in that part in this product separately. So later part I will explain what is that. First of all, I want to explain few minutes in the what is the Google Classroom theoretically. Uh, Google Classroom is a free web services as developed by that is Google's for the academic institution that aims to simplifying, creating, distributing, and grading assignment to the in a paperless way. This is a teacher perspective in the Google Classroom. You can create, you can customize in new classes, you can add the students also. A digital workflow, that means you can give the assignments to students, then after complete the assignments, student submit the students through the Google Classroom. You can add the marks to the students. Digital communication, whenever the students have the clarification, they will touch with you. Then announcement and email. You can also submit your materials. That means lecture notes and the e-books and otherwise videos. Also, you can share it. Then integration with Google Drives. This Google Classroom integration with the Google Drive and integration with the YouTube. So that this reason is highly useful for you. Whenever you take the classes, you can easily share it your videos and materials. So now I want to explain practically how it's effectively useful for the classroom. Step by step, I will explain you. Please note it. Just after you can go to the Google, then you have to type. You can go to here Google Classroom. Otherwise, just you can go to the Google Classroom. Then after type it, you can enter. Then Google classroom.google.com. It will come. Then you have to click Google Classroom. So you can give your email ID for Google Classroom. I give the username and password. You can use your Gmail ID for admin. Sorry, some network problem. I will enter it. Google Classroom. Yeah, now it will open. Then after entering the classroom, you can see this type of windows. Then in the right side corner, plus mark is there. You have to click this plus marks. Then join classes, create classes. Both are available. If the students, they can join the classes. Later I will explain you how students can join the classes. For the teachers, for the faculty, you can create the class. Now I click the create the class because of we are going to create the class. Then you have to accept the rules and regulation. You know that after clicking the rules and regulation, you have to click the continue. Then after continue, then you can create the class. Now simply for test purpose, I can create the classes Google Classroom section. Simply you can leave it. Otherwise, if you have section, you can put A or B, C. Otherwise, you can simply leave it. Here web, actually through the web, I will take the web classroom. Room number start necessary. Just you can click create. After creating the classroom, four types of windows it will become. That means stream. Yeah, just I will explain. Yeah, now we successfully create the Google Classroom. Yes, Google Classroom, got it. Here totally stream, classwork, people, marks it will come. So for student join, then stream, classwork, the people, this three only it will come, marks it won't come. So for stream I will explain one by one what is, then later explain step by step. First I want to explain a stream. What is a stream? Stream means you can give the announcement. For example, you can give the announcement here. Just you can click the announce here, announcement more Google Classroom online classes, something you can type anything started today. So like that you can type. If you have the, if you want to add any materials, just you can go on the click here Google Drive through the link through the file or YouTube, anything you can upload. But actually here only announcement, so I'm not add anything. Then simply I click the post. So this post will come first. Initially, so my opinion, you can add the people, you can add the students. Here class code is there. You can give this class code your students so that they can join the students that can easily join it. Then people is there. If we click the people, then teacher students it will come. Teachers, if your colleague, for example, in my department we are sharing the paper in digital library, myself and Dr. Surli, and ICT information communication technology practical, myself and Dr. JP, we are sharing our classes. So that is the reason I can add Dr. Surli's name for the teachers. So here, yes, surlanadi@gmail.com. I can click, I can invite him. So my colleague also, he can join here, and the students we can add a number of students. Chandran, then Jayaprakash, like that I can add a number of students. So if you for starting the this session, you can collect all your students' email ID. You can paste it. You can all the email ID, you can paste it or type it. Then you can invite. Then this mail it will goes to, it will send to all the students. So you can inform them. You can inform your students to accept your invitation. After accepting invitation, immediately the acceptance it will come to here. Then if you type any streamline anything, it will reach their online Google Classroom. So this is where you can give the announcement, you can give the assignments, like that everything it will be displayed in the first page. That means streamline itself. Then you can add your photos also. If you have any photos, you can upload the photos. Then you can click select your computer or windows. Then you can click slide, you can enter it. So after adding a photo, for example your department photos or any photos, just you can add it. Then you can, yes, otherwise just you can add it here, then select. So like that you can add, yes, Bharas University, like that it will add it. Then another one is important is classwork. Actually this classworks very much important. If we click the classwork, this is the main actually. Steam and classwork people is all are very simple, but in my opinion, Steam classwork, apart from the Steam and the people, classwork is more important, because of through the classwork only we are going to create the assignment and the question to the students. We can submit our materials. You can use topic and organize classwork into the models or units. You can order your work, like that you can do many things you can do through this assignment work actually. So that I can click create, then I can create the topic. So create the topic means just I can type it simply web technology. So after technology I can add it here. Then after adding under the web technology I want to add the some materials for students. So if you want to send it the any materials, that means videos or text material or PowerPoint material, anything, just you can go and click the material. There you can type the web technology. Yeah, under the web technology, just unit 1, uh, unit 1 search engine. Search engine material I want to send to the all the students. So you can click the art. Then you can type, if you have the any YouTube video, otherwise any other YouTube video also you can upload here. You can send to your students. So you can type YouTube. Then I type search engine. You can search. You can see the most popular search engine as a fast master. Like there are a lot of videos also available here. Different search engine and browser. This is one good I think. So I will. You can click the art. Then you can submit your material. Search engine, view video materials available. So after adding search engine video materials available, I can, here post is there. You can click the post. Here you can see the all the students. So all the students are available. So topic, uh, create the topic, search engine. So I can post it. So this material it will be sent it to the uh, all the students, so that if they were open their own Google Classroom, they can open it, they can check it the classwork, then they will see the materials, they can see the video materials. So same like that you can create the text material also. For example, here I type it some classification, web classification material. So I can add file. You can select your files for your device. Then I can add the material, so that lot of Yeah, text materials available. You have to click and open it, then you can upload. Then it will take a few minutes for uploading the files. So and even if you are uploading the Google Drive, then share in drives. If you are that materials available in the Google Drive also, you can click and share it. Like that you can do easily. So same like that, that materials come to here, with classification. So you can post it. Yeah, that's it. You can like that. You can order the number of class materials. Then you can give the assignment to your students. I use it to give the most of assignment to through this Google Classroom only. Web technology engine. So I can add a search engine. You can do the instruction to through this. You assign the uh, assignment to all the students. Just like that, you can type like that here. Then you can give the assign. Then this assignment it goes to all the students. Then particularly through the instruction, you can give the clear instruction. That means how many pages, then what are the materials you can include. Like that, you can audit so that students can easily uh, submit the your assignments. So like that, you can give the quiz assessment and questions. Even you can give the questions also. Like that, you can do what is search engine. Simply can give what is search engine. Like that, you can do the assignments. So here actually you can in the question you can set the times. And also for example I want to give the timings 80 and times, that means 6, that means sorry 80. 80 means you know that the time actually 6 o'clock. I can submit it every 6 p.m. Like that, you can give 6 p.m. 18 May, Monday. So then you can ask the students. Then Monday 18th, they will open it. They will answer you. Here actually, like that you can do. Then questions, quiz assignment. Quiz assignment later I will tell you how you can give the quiz assessment. And people I already told you how you can edit the students also. Then marks actually. This marks also you can assign here. Your classes if any no students joined because of for this practice session I added here. So that is the reason I will go for my classes, that means MLA's classes. I already added the students to here. So that is the reason if you go for marks here, we can assign the marks. So some of the students already submitted the assignment, so I give the marks for the students. So like that, you can. These are my students' timing, so that I can audit the students' marks and all here. So like that, you can do. Then here, one option is also available for settings. MLA's class description also you can give here. First year or room one, which room, information technology, like that. Here classes code is there. You can use the class code to the students. So after adding this class code, students can join this classes. You can invite, otherwise if you not invite, you can use this class code. So after clicking this class code, students then automatically join your classroom. Then stream is the most important actually. Here three options also available. Students can post and command. Students can only command. Only teachers post can command. Actually, my opinion, students also can post and command. That is good actually. Only teachers means teachers only can post or command. That means it's not possible to ask any questions. So that is the reason I give the students can post commands. So classwork and the streams. hide show the notification to all the students. That is the best option for us, actually is my opinion. Here also mark calculations is there. Here total points 100 points, like that you can add because of no student joined here, so that like that you can do no changes. So in that way you can add your you can submit your assignment, you can add your streams, and you can you add your classroom. But apart from this, lot of options are available. You can do the practice, you can easily do your best way use your Google Classroom. Okay, now apart from Google Classroom, I want to explain simply just I need a very few minutes for explain the scholar.google.com. Here also alert service is there. You can click the alert service when you are opening the Google Classroom. In the side, alert service is there. After alert service, you can create the alert. Here I type the web technology search engine. I can create the alert. If you create the alert in the search engine, whenever search engine materials, articles or ebooks, anything come, automatically it will come to your email ID. So no need to search again in the search engine. You can go to your email ID. You can easily use your uh, materials, like that you can use it. And apart from the alert services, reference service also you can make it. For example, because of it's highly useful for you digital marketing. So in the digital marketing, you can after if you need this article for your reference, you can go on the double star, you can click it, this APA reference say, like that it will come, you can use it. Yeah, this APA state, like that MLSA, a lot of style is there. You can copy and paste it, like that you can use your reference series also. Okay, now I will explain quiz.com. This is really highly useful for you, particularly this lockdown time. Two options is there: join, or another one option is simply admin. For faculty, you can create the admin, quiz.com admin. So sorry, just a minute. Actually, I'm going to create the quiz.com. Google. So you can type quiz admin. Better you can quiz admin. Then you have to double click here. Because of I already you can sign up here. After sign up with Google. If you have the Google Gmail ID, you can go to the sign up with Google. Yeah, then I can add it to the using my email ID. I can enter it. Just you can click it, then you can use your username password, then you can enter it. So after coming this page, you can create the new quiz. Yeah, you can type for Google Classroom. You can type, then you can click next. Then you can choose anything. For example, mathematics or English or physics, which topic you need. Like that, you can choose it. Then, but actually mine is different, so that is the reason I choose other. So I click next. Or just you can choose the multiple choice or checkbox, fill in the blanks, open-ended or poll type of question. So now I'm going to choose multiple choice questions. So here write your questions here. Who developed Google? So first answer other. So like that you can Charles. I typed exactly Google developed by Ari page company. So I can type it, then send back it to something actually. So after typing here, you can click right answer. You have to click here. Then yeah, this is the right answer. Then you can click save. Yeah, this is the right answer. So like that you can add the another question, new questions. So again, some multiple choice questions. This is a question number 2. It will come. Who is father of libraries? LIS, Library Information Science. That means Dr. S. R. Ranganathan. Father of library science in India. But actually, so S. R. Ranganathan, and then Neela Megham, Radhakrishnan. Nehru. It's just like the audit actually. So I click SR Ranganathan, then I can click save it. Like that, you can add a number of questions. After adding questions, you can click done it. Then after done, you can select the English, select the grades. You can select the grade. This is university level. Then public visible to everyone. Yes, I can save it. Then after creating this classroom, you can add a number of questions. The question is not a matter actually. You can add a number of questions. Then you can click the play live. Then you can three option is that team, classic, test. If you divide the team, you can click the team. So separate is that you can click the classic. Then you can click the continue. After clicking the continue, join one option is there. You can inform your students to go to this quiz join. So I want to order 861773. Like that you can this page it will come for the students. You can inform the students. You can type this number 861 861773. Then you can join. Then automatically yeah, my name it will come. So like that here you can see here waiting for players to join. Start a game. Yes. Yeah, my name is, it will come for joining. So like that in a lot of students it will come. After joining students, you can click the start. So you can see here, then who downloaded Google, yeah, answer like that will come. So like that you can use, so like that you can use your quiz.com also. So this is the way you can use your Google Classroom, Google other products and quiz also. So I hope you may enjoy these sessions. Really, I expect more questions from you. When you are starting the practice, you can a number of students join the Google Classroom. Lot of options also automatically will come, so that you can easily use that feature also. So thank you very much for your patient listening.